Ranking of dangerous water jumps.
2, 1, send it. Unreal.
Of a kind, but you mash up my mind. You have to get it right, oh Lord, revive me.
This kid with an 80s haircut decided to jump into the water from a height of 23 meters. A rock went first, used as a guide to the waves during the flight, followed by the protagonist himself, who performed a double front flip. To dare such a feat, you clearly have balls of steel, especially since this wasn't a dive into a pool, but in the wild, in a rocky area with an unknown depth.